Pioneer Ranch is a master planned community in Ocala, Florida, offering a selection of brand new single family homes. Residents enjoy proximity to downtown Ocala shopping, dining, and entertainment, as well as access to natural landscapes and waterways. Nearby attractions include the World Equestrian Center, Silver Springs State Park, and the distinctive horse statues in downtown Ocala, offering a blend of cultural and recreational activities. The community features four unique collections, including the Medallion 2 floor plan. It's a single level home with an open concept layout, a private owner suite, and a covered lanai, which we got a chance to video some of the walkthrough here. So, welcome to Pioneer Ranch in Ocala, where modern living meets natural beauty. Presenting the Medallion 2 by Lennar. This single level home has about 2,600 square feet, 4 beds, 3 baths, starting price around $395,000. The open floor plan is shared between the kitchen and living room for easy entertaining, as well as access to the covered lanai for outdoor lounging. The formal dining is separated from the shared living space. It's perfect for hosting dinner parties with loved ones. And the primary bedroom enjoys a private location in the rear corner of the home, complemented by an en-suite bathroom and a walk-in closet. Next, we toured Pulte Homes, which features 3 different home collections, the Regal, Signature, and Elite series, and we got to look at each one of each group, beginning with the Dalen. The Dalen is part of the Regal series. It starts in the high 200s and has 4 bedrooms and 2 baths, 1,580 square feet with a 2-car garage. The Dalen single-story design gives your family the room you need, with a luxurious owner suite and 3 additional bedrooms. The oversized island and the designer kitchen, an open concept gathering room and cafe area make entertaining friends and family a breeze. Plus, enjoy the conveniences of fully laundry room and the 2-car garage.
Congratulations and thank you. We hope you enjoy your home and we wish you a bright future in your new community. Welcome.
Next up, we looked at the Heston model, which is part of the Signature series. It starts around $330,000. It's got 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,850 square feet with a 2-car garage. The Heston maximizes its single-story design with the 4-bed, 2 baths, includes the covered lanai and the 2-car garage, and features a very welcoming foyer, large laundry room. The gathering/living room, kitchen provide an open concept flow with a center island oversized pantry. You'll enjoy a private owner's suite with luxurious owner's bath that includes dual sinks, walk-in shower, and walk-in closet. The Heston's functional spaces are designed for how you live. That extra bedroom is going to be a blank canvas. What are you going to use it for? Is it going to be a home office, a study room, or maybe even a gym? The oversized pantry is great for storing your extra kitchen appliances and bulk items you may have accumulated to help you stay organized. And then lastly, the covered lanai is a great space for grilling with friends and family. Don't forget to ask about any quick move-in specials that might offer you additional savings. The garage in the Heston model has been temporarily converted into a design studio where you can see information about workmanship and craftsmanship and some of the color choices and design picks that you can make for your new home. Lastly, we visited the Astoria model, which is part of the Elite series, which base prices at $375,000. It's got 2,223 square feet with a 3-car garage. The open floor plan makes everyday living and entertaining a breeze. You'll enjoy cooking in your designer kitchen while your family and friends relax in the gathering/living room. The covered lanai is perfect for grilling at the end of the day. You can retire to your luxurious owner's suite. Now, the biggest difference you're going to notice with the Astoria model is you'll need to choose between a 4th bedroom with a bathroom or an enclosed flex room with double doors. Plus, you're going to have all the storage you need with an included 3-car garage. So visit the links in the description for all the details. Schedule a call on my calendar so we can discuss your needs and set aside some time for your tours. Last few comments about Pulte and why you should work with them. They do offer innovative floor plans and they have functional spaces designed for the way you want to live. They also offer personalization where you can create a home that's uniquely personalized for you. They offer quality. They have higher standards that include a 10-year limited structural warranty. And lastly, it's very easy. You can easily shop, build, and finance the home you've always wanted. Make sure you ask about their in-house mortgage partner. My name is Matt Serafice. I'm your trusted real estate partner with eXp Realty. If you'd like to know anything more about Pioneer Ranch or any other new home communities in the area, including Gainesville or Ocala, or you're interested in talking about property that you already own, feel free to contact me. All my info is below. You can email me, text me, or call me directly or book a call on my calendar. I hope to talk to you soon.